So the question is asking to fill in the blank for the quadratic probing formula. And let's just make sure we keep that in mind. So it's hash of x plus, so this is what we're trying to find, modulo table size. And so we should know with linear probing that this should be I. And we should know that with quadratic, I increment every single time until it finds a space, and that's also I squared. So the answer is this. We should also know some differences between quadratic and linear is that quadratic often leads to less cluttering because it is hash of x plus I squared modulo table size instead of just I, right? So overall, there'll be less cluttering and it'll be faster for searching for elements.